These are the fog lights of my 2015 Subaru Outback that I tinted using Vivid's Ultimate Headlight Tint in yellow. This is a super easy and quick project to do. I'll show you how I do it in the video, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we clean the surface. I'm just using isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. This isopropyl rubbing alcohol is mixed with water to be about a 70% alcohol to 30% water. Here is our Vivid Ultimate film in yellow. Brand new box. I didn't open it, but I haven't taken anything out yet. These are your instructions that would come with it. This is the backing paper. It's the front. So make sure I get a piece big enough. Size that's just a little bit bigger, up, down, left, and right. I can go ahead and apply this to it. Peel the backing off the vinyl. So I'm going to kind of, since it's inside a recess, kind of tack on. I'm going for it right in the middle. Putting that bend as best I can in there. Okay, now that I got in the middle, see, I'm just going to use my finger for now. Smear that in. All right, use my Vivid Squeegee, banana buffer, and then I'm going to go to the edges. And there's a slight bow on the surface of this fog light, so I'm going to kind of, you'll see me doing it in a sweeping motion almost to kind of slightly follow the curve of the fog light base in this case. Get it all the way to the edges, just like so. Make sure it's down really nicely. Once I have it down, I'm going to go ahead and heat it real quick with my Rev Power Tools Blaze 550 heat gun. I'm going to use it on low heat, but low max temperature, just to kind of make sure that I've got it sealed down nicely. If there's any bubbles that I might have missed, I could catch that as well. Okay, and in particular, I want to make sure the edges are sealed down nicely, just to the edge. Okay, take my knife, Viv quick lock knife, unlock, put some blade out. That's good enough right there. Lock it again. I'm going to go and use the side edge against the side of my blade here. Boom. Get it started. I'm basically using the side edge of the fog light to guide the cutting edge of my blade. Careful not to cut anything. Take your time doing this. That. All right. Take this out. Now I'm going to try to peel off the protective cap that's on here. Seal the side edges down that you just cut. Give it a quick heat again to make sure everything is laid down nicely. Then after I warm it up a little bit and it's not too hot, again I had it on low heat. Just make sure everything is pressed down really nice. So now let's take a closer look at the final product. As you can see here, it looks really great, at least in my opinion. The fit and finish of Vivid's Ultimate Headlight Tint continues to amaze me at how really good looking it is. It's super smooth, it's really clear, it's very shiny and glossy. It does look OEM in my opinion, and I've never been disappointed with any of the Ultimate tints so far. So if you guys thought this was a helpful video for you, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you get notices when I post new content to the channel. I've got more videos in the works and on the way that I'd love to share with you. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day.